Lovington, New Mexico is my home. I was born in a farming community just outside the city. We have agricultural and oil and gas based industry. Lee County is the largest oil producing county in the entire United States, and Lovington is the county seat of Lee County. We are a hardworking, blue-collar city, and we all work together to make our community the best that it can be.
Historically, Lovington has been a boom or bust economy. We live and die by the oil and gas sector. Lee County is the leading oil and gas producer in the United States. In partnership with the Lovington EDC, what this commission and government has done in the past few years is to diversify our economy and our tax base. And that's through projects and an explosion in retail and other businesses. All of this has diversified our economic tax base to the extent that now our leading sectors every month in our GRTs, our gross receipts taxes, are construction and retail. They're not oil and gas. So yes, oil and gas is the economic engine that drives our economy, but we're hoping to cushion the future price shock of any downturn in the oil market with this economic diversification.
Everything we do, from water and wastewater improvements to keeping up with our parks, helps make Lovington a place people and businesses want to be at. Good infrastructure attracts growth, and that's what brings in more retail and opportunity for the community. The City of Lovington is investing a lot into upgrading water and wastewater systems, maintaining our parks and public spaces, and improving overall infrastructure. These investments are important because they can make sure residents have clean water, reliable services, and safe, well-kept places to enjoy.
The expansion of the oil and gas industry in Lee County has created a shortage of housing for the workers in that industry. Affordable housing is an imperative part of that. With the growing cost of housing and interest rates, a lot of our workers come here and are not able to either find a place to live or afford a place to live. We partnered up with Lee County and we created a $5 million housing initiative to bring in builders, and this would help offset some of their infrastructure costs, therefore lowering the price of the housing.
In securing grants, it has to do with being solid, knowing your town, knowing your city, knowing your needs. I don't get every grant that's out there because it has to align with the needs for the city. Our grant program has been very successful, and I like to think of us on the nice list is that potential grantors, people that want to give us grants or have a grant program out, know that we have a solid team. We have a solid administrative team. We have a solid closeout. They can ensure that we're not just applying for a grant hoping that we get it. We're applying for a grant because we have a need for that grant. It aligns with their grant program, and we're gonna make sure that we research our grant request when we send it in.
One of our most recent additions is a complete renovation of Lovington Main Street. Main Street is a major artery, obviously, through town. We decided to reduce traffic speed by going from 2 lanes to 1 lane, thereby giving the opportunity for passerbyers to recognize our local businesses, see our local courthouse, in addition to beautify downtown. This process took a little over 3 years. We spent several $1 million on it. But in addition to that, we were also able to upgrade our water and sewer system that had been installed in the original foundation of Lovington.
I came here 15 years ago with 1 suitcase and no car, and began in the police department. This is a municipality of great opportunity. It's a city of great opportunity. We are the economic engine of this part of the state, mostly through oil and gas, but it's a great community because the people have great values and they're very hardworking, and we're a diverse community.
The thing that excites me most about Lovington is that we are focused on creating a community where our children can go off to college, get an education, and come back here and use their education to help provide a community that is not only good for their children, but also for the aging adults that we are becoming. And so therefore, we all will be here. We live together as a family and a community, and we are able to pass that on to the future generations so that we're not just a one and done.